Welcome to Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy, the go-to place for all things beauty. Our doors are open wide and we're excited to invite you to join us for our weekly intensive beauty tutorials. Here, we dive headfirst into the essentials every makeup artist, or even a beginner, needs to master to achieve that flawless, glamorous look, just like Miss South Africa. Today, we're going to chat about one of our favorite topics, blush and highlighter. We'll guide you in finding the right shade to match your skin tone, teach you how to apply it evenly, and show you different styles to apply it. Each week, we offer a new tutorial designed to boost your beauty skills and confidence. So, why wait? Join us each week for a new tutorial to enhance your beauty skills and confidence. Diving right into the fascinating world of makeup, we begin with the basics. The first step in any makeup application is starting with a clean canvas. This means washing your face with a gentle cleanser and patting it dry. It's crucial to remove any dirt, oils, or leftover makeup that might interfere with your fresh look. Next, let's talk about primer. Primer is your best friend when it comes to makeup application. It's the magic potion that smooths your skin, fills in fine lines, and gives your makeup something to hold on to. Just a pea-sized amount of primer can make a world of difference. Now, it's time for foundation and concealer. Foundation is used to even out your skin tone and give you a flawless base to work with. When applying foundation, always remember to blend, blend, blend. Start from the center of your face and blend outwards for the most natural look. Concealer, on the other hand, is used to cover up any blemishes or dark circles. Apply it sparingly and only where needed, then blend it into your foundation. Finally, we come to the setting powder. This is the last step in creating your base, and it's an important one. Setting powder helps to lock in your foundation and concealer, keeping them in place throughout the day. It also helps to reduce shine and give your skin a smooth, matte finish. Mastering these steps is the foundation of any stunning makeup look. Moving on to the art of blush and highlighter, these are the magic touches that bring your face to life. They're the unsung heroes of your makeup bag, capable of transforming your complexion from drab to fab in just a few strokes. But like any good magic trick, the key is all in the execution. Choosing the right shade of blush and highlighter to match your skin tone is paramount. Think of your face as a canvas, and these products as your paint. Your blush should mimic the natural flush of your cheeks. For fair skin tones, a soft pink or peach blush can be ideal. For darker skin tones, vibrant oranges and berry shades work wonders, adding warmth and depth. Highlighter, on the other hand, is all about creating an illusion of light and shadow. For fair to medium skin tones, champagne or pearl shades can be perfect. For darker skin tones, golden or bronze hues can create a stunning glow. Now let's talk about application. Blush is typically applied to the apples of your cheeks. To find them, simply smile. Your apples are the round, fleshy parts that pop up. Use a fluffy brush to apply your blush in light, upward strokes, blending towards your temple for a natural lift. Highlighter is applied to the high points of your face, where the light naturally hits. Think cheekbones, brow bones, the bridge of your nose, and the cupid's bow of your lips. Use a small, fluffy brush, or even your fingertips to blend your highlighter, creating a seamless transition with your skin. There are many ways to apply blush and highlighter, and the technique you choose can dramatically alter the shape and appearance of your face. For instance, applying blush along the cheekbones can create a more sculpted look, while applying it just on the apples of the cheeks can give a youthful, playful effect. Highlighter can be used to accentuate features you love, or create the illusion of higher cheekbones, a slimmer nose, or fuller lips. Remember, makeup is an art, not a science. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with different shades and techniques to find what works best for you. After all, makeup is all about enhancing your natural beauty, not covering it up. With the right blush and highlighter, you can effortlessly sculpt, define, and highlight your unique features. So go ahead, add a pop of color and a dash of sparkle to your face. Let your inner glow shine through and watch as your complexion comes to life. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to learn some pro tips and tricks. Let's dive right in. First up, mastering the art of blending. Blending is like the secret seasoning in a chef's recipe. It can make a world of difference. The key to a natural, seamless look is to blend, blend, and then blend some more. Whether it's your foundation, your eyeshadow, or your blush, make sure it all merges flawlessly into your skin. Next, remember the golden rule of makeup: less is more. It's easy to get carried away and pile on product, but a heavy hand can lead to a cakey look. Start with a small amount and build up gradually. It's easier to add more than to take away. Now, let's talk about lighting. Good lighting is your best friend when it comes to makeup application. Natural daylight is the best as it provides the most accurate reflection of your makeup. If natural light isn't available, go for white light as it closely mimics daylight. Last but not least, making your makeup last. To ensure your makeup stays put all day, start with a good primer. It not only smooths your skin but also gives your makeup something to hold on to. Setting your makeup with a setting spray or a translucent powder can also work wonders. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. That's a wrap on today's tutorial. But the beauty journey is just beginning. It's time to take what you've learned and put it into practice. Remember, the art of makeup is a skill that takes time, patience, and a lot of practice to perfect. So don't be disheartened if you don't get it right on the first try. Every stroke of your brush, every blend of your blush and highlighter brings you one step closer to creating that flawless, glamorous look that we all strive for. It's all about finding what works best for your unique skin tone and facial structure. And remember, there is no one-size-fits-all in makeup. It's a world of exploration and creativity. So feel free to experiment with different shades and techniques until you find your signature style. And as you embark on this journey, remember that you're not alone. We at the Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy are here to guide and support you every step of the way. We encourage you to share your progress with us, so don't hesitate to post your before and after photos, your triumphs and challenges. Your journey can inspire someone else to take their first steps into the world of makeup. Also, we value your feedback and suggestions. So, if you have any questions about the techniques we discussed today, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in our future tutorials, please leave a comment below. Your input helps us to tailor our content to your needs and interests. So, go ahead, take up that brush, and unleash the beauty artist within you. And remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to make mistakes, because that's how we learn and grow. Thank you for joining Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy today. Don't forget to leave your comments below and stay tuned for more beauty tutorials next week.